Hello children, I welcome you all to our English class. Today we are going to see lesson number 6, the problem puzzle part 2. In part 1 we have discussed about the story. I hope you all enjoyed that story. You told that story to your parents. Yes, have you all enjoyed? Yes, now let's start the second part, that is the grammar part, expressing time of an action. First, let's start with the PEP activity. Recall words that we use to talk about actions that we usually do. Okay, what is an action word? The word that we use to talk about action is called the action word. So here, the actions which we do usually, okay, regularly, daily, some actions we are doing. What are all the actions? Listen. First action is listen. Second one, read. Then talk, brush, sleep, eat. These are all the actions which we do usually. Daily we are repeating the same actions. Words such as listen, read and talk are action words. They describe actions that we perform. Am I right? So the words which we use to describe the action we perform is called the action word. Rita usually play in a park near her grandfather's house. Help Rita find her way from the park back to the house on the next page. So Rita usually play in a park near her grandfather's house. We have to find the way for her. We are going to help Rita to reach the park. How can we help? We have to circle the action word. By circling the action word, we have to help Rita. Let's see the picture. Yes, look at the picture. We can see the picture. Number 1, here house is there. So let's see the number first. Okay, first one, this is number 1. Knock or knocking on the door. Which is the action word? Correct action word? Knock. Knock the door. After knocking, what should she do? Open or opening the gate? Open. This is the second step. Okay, she has to open the gate. Next, she has to turn right. So here turn is the correct action word. After turning right, what should she do? Cross or crossing the pond? Cross the pond. Next, walk along the path. So this is 3, this is number 4, and this is step number 5. So these are all the action words. I hope you all completed this activity. Just circle the actual original action words alone. Don't circle the ing form. Okay? Yes? Let's move to the next one. Now, look deep activity. In this activity, Rita came back home. Okay, after coming back from the park, she is telling about what she did in the park. So, grandfather is asking now, what did you do in the park, Rita? Rita is answering, Grandpa, I played for a long time at the park. I also walked along the long road near the pond. I touched the water in the pond. So, she did 3 things. How many things? 3 things. Number 1, she played for a long time. Number 2, she walked along the long road. Number 3, she touched the water in the pond. Okay, this is what happened. Circle the action words in the sentence. So, here we have to circle the action words in the sentence. In this sentence and this sentence. First one, in the question, which is the action word? Do. Do and did are the action word. Okay, you have to circle the do only because this is the original action word. Circle only do. After that, in these sentences, which are all the action word? Played. I played for a long time. I played for a long time. Played is the action word. Then walked. I also walked along the road. I touched the water in the pond. These are all the action words in the given sentence. I hope you all understood, children. Let's move to the next one. Observe what Rita says. Each sentence has an action word that ends in ed. Yes or no? Yes, all the action words ends in ed. For example, Rita said, I also walked along the long road near the pond. Here walked is the action word. Which is the action word? Walked. I touched the water in the pond. Here touched is the action word. Rita was telling her grandfather about what she did sometime back. Okay, sometime back she did these actions. She was talking about the past. Past means what? The action that has been completed. Okay, the action that has been completed. If you want to talk about the action that has been completed, you have to add ed at the end of the action word. We use ed at the end of the action words. Plant plus ed, planted. We planted a tree in our garden. Let's see the examples, more examples. Wait plus ed, waited. They waited at the bus stop. Ask plus ed, asked. Anita asked a question. Visit plus ed, visited. Komal visited the Taj Mahal last year. These are all some examples. All these you can notice the action word ends with ed. So this indicates that the time of action is past. The action has been completed already. Okay. Observe that we add ed to the end of the action word to talk about action that happened in the past. Okay. Now tips box. Here are some spelling tips for talking about actions that happened in the past. Action words ending in a number 1. If any action word ends with silent e, for example, close, phone. Whenever an action word ends with the silent e means we have to add only d, because already e present in the action word. Okay, not for all the action word children, only silent e. If the action word ends with silent e, we have to add only d. Okay, the second rule. If the action word ends with y, what should we do? We have to remove y. We have to remove y and add ied. Usually we add only ed to the action word to tell that the action has been completed in the past. But here, if the action word ends with y, we have to add ied. Carry plus ied, carried. Marry plus ied, married. Like that we have to write the action word in past. Okay, close plus close plus d, closed. Phone plus d, phoned. Okay, I hope you understood, children. Let's move to the next one. We are going to do the companion activity now. Expressing time of action. Okay, complete the sentence using action words that talk about the past. All these actions given in the picture are the clues. Look at the picture clues, look at the action word clues, and then write the answer in the dash. All this action already completed. So what is our work? Our work is we have to add ed. Watch plus ed, watched. Listen plus ed, listened. Cook plus ed, cooked. Like that we have to fill the dash, but appropriately we have to fill based on the sentence. Okay, the driver dashed the car to the left. Which picture has the car? Very good. The third picture only has the car. So we have to match with the third picture. Then we have to write here turned. The driver turned the car to the left. The driver turned the car to the left. Okay. He dashed me yesterday on the phone. Where is the phone picture? Here it is. So this is the phone picture. So we have to match this line to the picture. Then we have to fill the dash. Call. Through 4, what will we do? We have to call. He called. Call plus ed, called. Amar dashed many stamps. Where are the stamps? Here it is. So we have to match the sentence with the picture. Then we have to look at the action, what he is doing. What is he doing? He is collecting the stamps. So collect plus ed, collected. Amar collected many stamps. I dashed carefully to my teacher. Where is the teacher? Yes, here she is. Student and teacher. So we have to match this with the sentence. After that we have to write here listened. Listen plus ed, listen. The student is listening to the teacher. So the student listened. Next one, I dashed the road very carefully. Where is the road? Here it is. The boy is crossing the road very carefully. Already he crossed. So what will come here? Crossed. Cross plus ed, crossed. My father dashed a delicious meal. Where is father and meal? This is the picture. So we have to match it and then we have to write. What is he doing? He is cooking. So cook plus ed, cooked. Already he completed that action. I dash a movie on the TV. TV is here, so I am matching this picture with this. I dash a movie on the TV. I watched a movie. Watch plus ed, watched. Kushi dashed chess with her mother. Where is chess picture? Here it is. So Kushi is playing chess. She already played. So Kushi played. P-L-A-Y-E-D. Play plus ed, played. Yes? Have you all completed? Let's move to the next activity. Next one, we have to underline the action words in the sentence and we have to change it into past tense, that is completed action. Okay, one already completed. We have to write the sentence in the dash also. In the blanks we have to write the sentence. Vignesh practices martial arts. Example, Vignesh practiced martial arts. If there is yes at the end of the action word, we have to remove yes. Okay, remove yes and add ed. This is the rule. We jumped very high. Jump plus ed, jumped. We jumped very high. We talked to each other often. Talked. We talked to each other often. Dear children, no need of writing the same sentence again. You can write different sentence also. So here they have given write sentence of your own. Write a sentence of your own, but the same action word should be used. Action word should not change. Okay, but you can write your own sentence. How? I talked to my friend, like that also you can write. Okay, so don't change the action word, just change the sentence. Underline the action word here. He plays the violin well. Plays, yes. At the end of the action word, if yes comes means we have to remove yes and add ed. He played the violin. Sandeep laughs merrily. Laughs, we have to strike out yes. Underline the action word, laugh plus ed, laughed. Sandeep laughed merrily. Next one, I call Meera on the phone. I called, call plus ed, called. My teacher helps. You have to cross yes, here underline. To cross yes and add ed. My teacher helped me a lot. Kim listens to music. Cross yes, underline the action word, add ed. Kim listened to music. Discuss. See children, in discuss also yes is there, but we should not remove that because using yes only the word completes. So don't remove yes, write as it is. Underline the action word, then write as it is. Okay, we discussed the trip. Kunal asks a lot of questions. Asks here yes, without yes also the action word is complete only. So ask plus ed, asked. Kunal asked a lot of questions. Yes, I think you all finished. Next one, we have to look at the activities that Rahul did last weekend. All these actions given in the picture are the actions done by Rahul last week. So completed action. Completed action means past tense. Remember to use action words that indicate the past. We are going to describe the actions using the sentence. Rahul jumped on a trampoline. His action is jump. So jumped on a trampoline. Rahul dash tree seed. Rahul planted a seed. Rahul watched a movie. Play is the action here, so played. Rahul played football. Here he is cleaning, so clean is the action word. Rahul cleaned his room. Here he is baking cake, so bake plus ed. Here check children, here silent e comes, so we added only d. Bake, B-A-K-E is the spelling of bake. Bake plus d only we have added. Okay, next one. Rahul painted a pretty painting. Rahul painted a pretty painting. Next one. Rahul washed the dishes. Wash plus ed, washed. I hope you all understood. Now do this activity, think and ink activity. In this activity, you have to write 5 actions that you completed yesterday. Okay, either you can team with your siblings or neighbors or friends, form a team and tell them, discuss about the 5 actions you completed yesterday. Mention the time by drawing in the clock. Only long hand and short hand you are going to draw. For example, 10 o'clock you played cricket means draw the 10 o'clock time and then write I played cricket. Here you can write, just a minute. You write here I played cricket by 10 o'clock. Okay, I played cricket. P-L-A-Y-E-T. Played, I played cricket. Okay, like this you have to frame sentence. Don't forget to add full stop at the end. Starting of the sentence should, all the sentence should begin with the capital letter. Okay, I played cricket, he played, I ate breakfast. Like that you can write. Okay, this is the activity you can do by yourself. For example, 1 o'clock I watched a movie. I went, or else I cooked Maggie. Like that you can write your own sentence. Okay, how many actions were the same, how many actions were different? You have to compare with your friends. How many of you done the same actions at the same time or different time same action? Like that you can compare with your friends. Okay, during the online session I will be asking you how many of you compared, how many of you written the same actions. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed today's session and you all understood about the action words, that is in the past tense. Now let's go to the think back activity. Okay, this is to recall your knowledge. Recall how we talk about actions that happened in the past. Fill in the blanks. Frame a sentence that to talk about one action that happened in the past. Here, this side they have given the actions we do regularly, that is daily these actions are done by us. Okay, but this side all the actions are past, completed actions. So let's go at the left side first. Let's go to the left side. Actions we do regularly. First one, I walk in the evening. He walks in the evening. Kindly remember children, whenever we do an action regularly, when we use that action word with I, you, we, they, we have to write the action word as it is. Walk, play, cook, like that. If we use that action word with he, she, it or any naming word, we have to add yes with the action word. If it is a routine action, at your left side it is the routine action. If it is a routine action, kindly use yes. Okay, yes to the routine action. Add and yes to the action word when we use it with he, she and it. Actions we did in the past. Action word. What are all the action words? Plus, what do we add? We add ed. We add action word plus ed. I dash to school. Walk. Walk plus ed. Walked. Shalini dash delicious meal. Cook plus ed. Cooked. My brother dash the computer. Fix plus ed. Fixed. My father booked the tickets. My father booked the tickets. Book plus ed. Booked. I hope you all enjoyed the session. Kindly recall all the action words and practice well at home. Write at least 10 sentences using the completed action word, that is past tense of action word. For example, I walked yesterday, I talked yesterday, I went temple yesterday, I cooked yesterday, I fixed the book yesterday. Like that you can write sentences using past tense and practice well. Thank you so much for listening. Let's meet in the next session.